The newly unveiled Nothing Phone 2 is a significant upgrade from its predecessor, but how does it compare to the Google Pixel 7? Despite their similar price tags following a hike by Nothing, there are several notable differences between these smartphones in terms of hardware, design, and software. To determine which phone is better for you, let's examine these 5 key differences. Setting itself apart, the Nothing Phone 2 features a glyph interface with embedded white LEDs on its transparent rear. This interface serves as a visual prompt for notifications and calls, and doubles as a fill light for low-light photography. With additional LEDs, the Nothing 2 offers more refined light tricks, displaying timers, volume levels, and app status updates. In contrast, the Pixel 7 maintains a traditional design with a large block housing its twin camera setup, featuring a premium steel and glass construction and a range of colorful options but without lighting functionality. Another significant distinction lies in the operating systems. The Google Pixel 7 offers a stock Android experience with material you support and minimal bloatware. The Nothing Phone 2 takes a different approach with Nothing OS 2.0. It features a heavily stylized design with dot matrix-style iconography, matching text, and a monochrome focus, featuring whites, grays, and blacks. Despite its unique style, the Nothing OS 2.0 seamlessly integrates support for all apps, even those that don't officially support the skin, which sets it apart from other skins that often have exceptions in the app list. Regarding performance, the Google Pixel 7 is powered by Google's Tensor G2 chipset, which dedicates significant power to AI-related tasks. It enables features such as call screening, music recognition, advanced camera processing, and editing functions like Magic Eraser and Magic Unblur. Additionally, it boasts excellent voice-to-text recognition and on-device translation capabilities. Conversely, the Nothing Phone 2, equipped with the Snapdragon 8 plus Gen 1 chipset, focuses more on pure performance, making it a strong contender for those seeking sheer power. In terms of camera capabilities, both the Nothing Phone 2 and Google Pixel 7 have a similar 50 megapixels main camera. However, the Nothing Phone 2 outshines the Pixel 7 in megapixels with a matching 50 megapixels ultra-wide lens compared to the Pixel's 13 megapixels option. While neither phone has a dedicated telephoto lens, the Pixel 7 excels in digital zoom capabilities. Thanks to AI-powered Super Res Zoom, it delivers detailed shots even at 20 times magnification, surpassing the Nothing Phone 2's maximum 10 times digital zoom. Furthermore, the Pixel 7 produces impressive image quality from its other sensors, as described by reviewers. When it comes to the pricing, the Google Pixel 7 is attractively priced given its spec sheet, coming in at £599. The Nothing Phone 1 had an impressive £399 price tag at launch last year, but the same can't quite be said for the Nothing Phone 2, which starts at an increased £579. It's still cheaper than the Google Pixel 7 in the UK, sorry US fans, but it's certainly not as cheap as its budget-friendly predecessor. That's it for today. Tell us which phone you think is better in the comments below. Until next time, peace out.